The rain. My name is Daniel, and I am 35 years old. There is something magical about rainy days. Since I was a child, I have always loved the sound of the rain tapping against the window, the fresh scent in the air, and the peaceful feeling it brings. While many people see the rain as something sad or inconvenient, for me, it is a gift. When I wake up to the sound of raindrops, I smile. It means I can enjoy a quiet, cozy day. I prepare a cup of hot coffee and sit by the window, watching the raindrops dance on the glass. Sometimes I read a book, letting the soft sound of the rain be my background music. Other times I simply sit there, lost in thought, appreciating the moment. One of my favorite things to do on a rainy day is to take a walk. I put on my raincoat, grab an umbrella, and step outside. The streets are quieter, and everything feels calm. The trees look greener, the air smells cleaner, and the world seems to slow down. I walk through the park listening to the rhythm of the rain. I watch children splash in puddles and smile at people hurrying with their umbrellas. Even in the rain, life moves beautifully. Rainy days remind me to slow down and appreciate the small things. In a world that is always rushing, rain gives us a reason to pause. It teaches us patience, peace, and reflection. I remember rainy days with my mother when I was a child. She would make warm soup, and we would sit together, talking about life. Those moments are now memories I hold dear. I also love to write on rainy days. There is something about the rain that brings inspiration. I sit at my desk, take out my notebook, and let my thoughts flow onto the paper. The gentle rhythm of the rain makes my mind feel calm, and words come easily. I write about my dreams, my feelings, and my memories. Writing with the sound of rain in the background makes me feel connected to myself. Sometimes I like to listen to music while it rains. Soft piano or jazz music makes the atmosphere even more relaxing. I light a candle, close my eyes, and let the music and the rain take me to another world. It feels like time stops, and I can truly enjoy the present moment. On some rainy days, I cook something warm and delicious. A bowl of soup, a cup of hot chocolate, or fresh-baked cookies make the day even better. The kitchen feels cozy, and the smell of food fills the house. Cooking on a rainy day reminds me of my grandmother. She always made homemade bread when it rained, and I remember the wonderful smell that filled her house. Now, when I bake bread, I feel close to her again. Even though I love the rain, I know that some people feel lonely or sad on rainy days. The gray sky and the quiet streets can make them feel isolated. But I believe that rainy days are a time for rest and reflection. They remind us that it is okay to slow down, to take care of ourselves, and to enjoy simple things like a warm drink, a good book, or a conversation with a loved one. Sometimes I sit on my porch and watch the raindrops fall. I see how the water nourishes the earth, making the flowers bloom and the trees grow. Rain is necessary for life. Just like in our own lives, we have rainy days, difficult times that feel endless. But just as the rain helps nature grow, our challenges help us grow too. Every storm eventually passes, and after the rain, the sun always returns. When the rain finally stops, I step outside and breathe in the fresh air. The world looks clean, new and full of life. The birds start singing again, and the sun shines through the clouds. The streets sparkle with tiny drops of water, and everything feels peaceful. Life is full of sunny days and stormy ones. But just like the rain brings growth to the earth, difficult times help us grow too. Rainy days teach us that even when the sky is gray, there is still beauty in the world. So the next time it rains, don't see it as something bad. Take a deep breath, listen to the raindrops, and enjoy the peace it brings. Because just like every storm, the rain will pass and the sun will shine again.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.